Good morning, class 4. Last time we started the lesson, the pumpkin test, we studied that how a prince went to every place of his kingdom to know what the people want. While returning, he met a girl who was looking after pumpkin garden. In return of food, Prince agreed to water the garden. Now let's continue the story. He said to the girl, "Go on, cook the meal. I'll water your garden." The water for the garden had to be brought from a stream far inside the woods. Now, the prince asked that girl that she should go and cook tasty meal for him, and in return of that food he was ready to water her garden. Now the prince did not know that he had to bring water from stream which was far inside the forest. The prince realized that he did not know how to balance buckets filled to the brim. Walking the long wooded path with two heavy buckets was quite difficult. Now, this was not an easy task as the prince thought. Now he realized that it was too difficult to balance buckets filled to brim. He was carrying two buckets full of water. Filled to the brim means पूरा ऊपर तक भरी हुई. And he had to walk a long path from the stream to the place where he was watering the pumpkins. So that was really difficult for him. He was not good at watering plants either. After half a day's work, he sat among the overwatered pumpkins. His royal robes splattered with mud and wondered how the girl could manage. Now, he was not good at watering plants either. Means he was not good in carrying those buckets of water. It was very difficult for him, and now he was not even good in watering the plants because he overwatered them. Overwatered means to water much more than it was required. जितने की ज़रूरत थी पानी की उससे बहुत ज़्यादा पानी उसने उसमें डाल दिया गार्डन में. Because of that, what happened? There was mud all over. Even his robes, his royal robes. What is royal robe? Robe means a long dress, or you can say gown, which prince and kings wear. लंबी सी ड्रेस जो वो पहनते हैं. Now that was also splattered with mud. वो भी पूरा कीचड़ में हो गई थी गंदी. So now he was thinking that how the girl could manage all this, because girl was doing it very well. The girl in the meantime had cooked him a delicious meal. On the ride to the palace, he rode slowly and in serious thought. The young girl had shown him that there was still a lot to learn before he could become a worthy king. Now, girl had cooked a delicious meal. Means girl was good at looking after the garden and watering the plants, and she was also very good in cooking meal. She cooked a tasty meal for him. Now, when he was coming back to his palace, he was thinking really seriously. What he was thinking that he is not fit to become a worthy king right now because there is a lot more to learn. अभी सीखने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. Why had no one ever taught him how to cook or grow plants or carry buckets of water? Now he was thinking that why has no one ever taught him how to cook food or how to grow plants, how to water the plants or how to carry buckets of water? These are small household work which each and everyone should know. But being a prince, he was a royal prince, he lived in palace, and there were many servants to do all these types of work. So that's why prince never worked. He had never done specially these types of works. Back in the castle, he went up to his father, and the advisors had announced, "Father, those who live in the palace do not know everything about how the people really live. I want to appoint advisors from the villages and towns." Now, what was his decision when he went back to palace? He went to his father and the other advisors and he announced there. उसने announcement किया, सबको बताया कि what he wanted to do. He wanted to appoint some people from village and from town as their advisors, because the people who were living in the palace, those people never knew how the people really lived. They didn't know how villagers, how they survived, how they lived. So that's why he wanted to appoint some people from villages and towns कि reality पता लगे लोग actually में कैसे रहते हैं, कैसे survive करते हैं, what are the problems which they face. Now king thought this was a very smart decision. King was very happy at this. He thought the decision was good. Only one question he asked, are you sure they can give good advice? Means the person who was to be appointed as advisor, that person has to be very wise, intelligent. उसको बहुत wise होना चाहिए, intelligent होना चाहिए. Only then that person can give good advice. तभी तो वो अच्छी सलाह देगा. Now the prince thought of the girl and decided to set a test to see if she was as wise as she was competent. Now prince thought of that young girl who was looking after the garden. Now he decided to set a test for her. Why he wanted to test her? Because he wanted to know that whether she was as wise as she was competent or not. उसकी intelligence check करनी थी उसे. He wanted to know whether the girl is intelligent or only good at cooking, only good in looking after garden, or only good in watering the plants. So he wanted to test her intelligence. Competent means कोई भी स्पेशल ऐसा काम जिसको कोई बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कर सकता है. मीन्स बीइंग एबल टू डू समथिंग वेरी सक्सेसफुली एज शी वॉज एबल टू कुक फूड सक्सेसफुली, एज शी वॉज एबल टू लुक आफ्टर द गार्डन सो वेल. So she was competent in those activities. Now he wanted to know whether she was wise, whether she was intelligent or not. So that's enough for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and kindly read the lesson. And please learn spellings of hard words.